We do now have an update for you. Some new information after a deadly hit and run. And it happened last Wednesday. We've now learned that Kayla Boyling's ex-boyfriend is under arrest. He's accused of hitting her while she was out for a bike ride and then just leaving her there to die. Rachel, police say that the suspect in this case knew the victim personally, and there might be a little bit more of a backstory here. What have you learned today?
Yeah, well, police say that Bowling told witnesses on the scene of the accident the license plate information of the car that hit her, and that information quickly led investigators to 27-year-old Kyle Rigdon. He's facing preliminary charges of leaving the scene of an accident resulting in death. Monday morning, South Rural Road is quiet in Indianapolis. Flowers and photos line the grassy area where 29-year-old Kayla Bowling was hit on her bike last Wednesday morning. Neighbors say the scene that morning was grim. Bowling's bike and shoes left behind as first responders brought her quickly to Eskenazi Hospital.
Before Kayla was transported from that scene, she was able to give the plate number of the vehicle that struck her to witnesses that were in the area. Then she was transported to the hospital.
Soon after, Bowling died. Based on the plate number she gave witnesses, IMPD says detectives were able to identify 27-year-old Kyle Rigdon as the driver. Court records show Bowling's family told investigators that Rigdon and Bowling had been dating, but had broken up a month earlier. They told investigators that Kayla had been stalked and harassed, and that Rigdon allegedly slashed her car's tires just 2 days before she was hit and killed. Officer Simone Burris with IMPD says it's unique that a victim would be able to help solve their own crime. She says that information was critical, being able to make an arrest in Bowling's death.
Especially when there's a death involved, because normally it's the people, it's our community that has to stand up for our victim, that has to be the voice for our victim. It was very heroic of her to just be able to give that vital piece of information to help with this case.
Court records show Rigdon will be in court tomorrow for an initial hearing. He's currently being held on a $160,000 bond.